Ductless mini-split aftermarket products. Learning objectives. What accessories are necessary to properly install mini-split equipment? What are the proper installation techniques to ensure a professional finished appearance? How can the correct accessories and products make it easier to install ductless mini-split equipment? Our agenda. Line set installation and protection, condensate management, mounting, support, electrical, cleaning and maintenance. How does a mini-split system work? Mini-split units rely on the refrigerant and heat transfer cycle to either heat or cool the desired room without any ductwork. Unlike traditional AC that works by removing heat from your indoor space and transferring the heat outdoors to your condenser unit, a heat pump essentially reverses this process so it can remove heat from the outdoor environment and transfer the heat indoors. It uses the same principles of an air conditioner using extremely cold refrigerant to absorb heat from the outdoor environment. There are multiple configurations for equipment with either single zone, 1-to-1, all the way up to multiple VRF units with choices varying from wall-mounted, ceiling cassette, floor unit, ceiling ducted, and high wall units. Why should you care? DMS, ductless mini-split systems, has become more important to the U.S. market, and installations will increase in the future. Additional products that will help with install will save resources and ensure properly installed systems. Line set installation and protection. Seal offers a product called Paracoil, which helps offer a solution for contractor line set needs. Line set foam insulation can be torn and compromised easily when threading through the sharp openings of walls and ceilings. Pre-insulated line sets come with a tough insulation that is durable, marking installation easier. They also include measurement indicators every foot, which can eliminate difficult calculations. Strong insulation and copper tubing durability help the line set perform under the harshest environments. We are the master distributor of this product for Anabadenko, who is leader in Japan and from whom has had decades to refine their technology to meet the unique needs of ductless installs. Maneuvering rigid line sets out of a wall and connected into a cramped confines of an evaporator is made easier with flexible line set connectors that can bend without kinking. Copper stubs, as well as stainless steel internal piping, help minimize the issue of kinking. Multiple lengths and line set options will ensure the right connector. Seal offers a new flame-free fitting called ProFit Quick Connect, which allows the contractor to save time on installations without need for an open flame or flaring. Simple installation after properly cutting, deburring, and cleaning the pipe, along with depth markers and a sight glass to ensure proper insertion depth. Added is an easy removal tool for servicing, which makes it simple to push and release the fitting. Fit flame-free connectors are great for tight spaces, crawl spaces, or attics where either open flame brazen is against local code or very difficult. Galvanic corrosion will occur if you connect directly to aluminum pipe. Essentech recommends you to use coated aluminum pipe if you want to use AL pipe. Flaring process, techniques, and tools have been around for many years. Improper flaring can cause leaks, which could show up immediately or over time. Flaring and swedging with hand tools can split copper tubing or leave microscopic burrs and blemishes that can cause micro-refrigerant leaks. Today, there are precision drill bits that can add a professional flare and swedge in less than 5 seconds with an impact drill. Seal offers a product called Flare Tight, which can be used in conjunction while installing a flare fitting. Conical rings help with misaligned flares, as well as a stamped copper seal, which provides constant force to that joint. Its versatility and ease of use makes flaring faster and ensures a better seal regardless of job site challenges. Aluminum and brass fittings work with flare tights baked on Loctite coating and is rated for a wide operation temperature range, which is required in extreme weather climates. Flare tight is also compatible with all common refrigerants used in the split systems and synthetic polyvinyl ether oil used in ductless and VRF systems. Lastly, independent testing has rated flare tight for high pressure systems like VRF up to 10,000 psi. Polymer UV line set duct will protect line sets from weather and animals while also adding a nice aesthetic touch to any installation. Line set protection helps complement as well as protect any residence or commercial application from environmental factors, with adding the option for multiple colors and finishes. Ducting protects exposed line sets, condensate lines, and control cables from weather, vandalism, pet, and pest damage. Aesthetically, the finished look of a ducted line set is far superior to that of exposed piping. Covering the line set completes the job. Line set ducting helps organize multiple line sets, which require several routes to connect the fan coils to the condenser. Covering the line set on the interior is equally important as covering on the exterior. Interior ducting frequently is used to cover the condensate pump or drain line when used on an application that has concrete or historical properties with the walls that cannot be drilled through. Installation made simple. Screw-in fittings along with a snap lock enclosure make the installation process quick. Along with the line set ducting kits, it gives you the option to purchase everything you need for a standard single zone install in one box. Installation accessories help make the job go smoother with the addition of our line set cover cutter and UV resistant wrap to help protect deteriorating line set insulation. In addition to the line set cover, there are adjustable telescoping wall sleeves to protect and seal the opening from unwanted infiltration. The IMC section 1101-10 mandates locking Schrader valve caps on an outdoor condenser refrigeration circuit when opening or charging maintenance checks. The locking caps thwart a growing trend of refrigerant theft in teens who dangerously huff refrigerants from condensers. Tamper-resistant locking caps give the homeowner the security knowing their condenser is protected. This product is specifically keyed to allow access for HVAC technicians and has a 5/16 available for mini split applications. Condensate management. The unfortunate consequences of a clogged condensate line, about 1 in 50 insured homes has a properly damaged claim caused by water damage each year. There are options when selecting the right condensate removal product depending on indoor unit type: no pump, gravity fed, condensate pump, or lift pump. Common issues can occur when vinyl tubing for drain lines are installed incorrectly or missized, which includes constriction, decrease of flow rate, chance of overflow, or microbial growth. Seal offers multiple types of condensate drain hoses for specific drain line applications, including no kink, smooth bore, and insulated. Making it easy to block odors and insects from entering the gravity-fed drain line is the mini waterless inline condenser trap. The mini waterless condensate trap eliminates standing water and freezing problems. Seal SS610E safety switch water level monitoring device helps meet International Mechanical Code IMC 307.2.3.1, which will shut off the indoor unit if there is an event condensate restriction. When pertaining to condensate removal pump terminology, there are four key factors needed for proper sizing. One is flow, two, suction lift, three, pressure head, and four is distance. There are three basic types of pump: prostatic, piston, and centrifugal. Note that centrifugal should never be used to the noise and aesthetic look being Prostatic pumps operate with the use of rollers, providing positive displacement, which is ideal for remote locations. Some benefits with the prostatic pump are they require no filter and do not need constant cleaning. Concealed piston pumps are small but powerful, offer total installation flexibility, and can pump long distances, 328 feet, 3. Maxi pumps can pump 49 foot of head and can be easily installed above the unit, above the ceiling, or in the line set cover. Many piston pumps offer ultra-slim profile and a separate reservoir, which gives the advantage of remotely locating the pump inside the unit or in the line set cover. For concealed piston pumps, there are two options, which can suit applications up to 13 tons. Surface mount pumps make it easy to install under the unit and provide a large capacity reservoir to minimize pump operation. Easily accessible cover removes to clean filter and clip apart for easy disassembly without the use of tools. Many tank pumps are great for use with ceiling cassette units or duct units, which sometimes the factory pump cannot reach the desired piping length. This unit can be installed right in the drain line with a high performance head of up to 49 feet. Why should we use mini pumps? Mini pumps have become very popular with installation of ductless mini split units. Clean installations and operational efficiencies make them easy choice when having the need to remove condensate quickly and quietly. Condensate siphoning can be very troublesome and interfere with pump operation if there is not an anti-siphon device installed in the line. This is the biggest installation problem, the effect of water being pulled down and out of the pump by gravity. By installing our anti-siphon device on a discharge hose line will help avoid this problem in the future. Curing ductless mini-split condenser units above ground level is important for a few reasons. 1. It prevents damage. 2. Allows for proper airflow. 3. Decreases the amount of dirt and debris inside the unit. And 4. Allows for ease of installation and maintenance. Mounting. Ductless mini-split condensers should never be allowed to sit directly on the ground. The main reason is that they should always be lifted include it can be easily damaged, more susceptible to dirt clogging fins, not as robust as ducted condensers, needs to be anchored for support, usually high and thin with a narrow base, and during the winter heating mode, the unit will go into a defrost, which if not lifted, the water will drain to the unit with a possible of seizing the fan or damaging the compressor. Seal offers multiple wall bracket condenser mounts that include powder coated, stainless steel, galvanized finished, hurricane rated, and under the window mounts. All offer superior stability with a wide range of applications. Also available from RectorSeal is our evaporator supporter. This revolutionary product allows for a one-person installation, saving in labor costs. The evaporator supporter accommodates most mini-split models, and with a simple clip-on support can handle weights up to 100 pounds. Rubber and polymer condenser risers help support the condenser or line set by directly lifting it off the ground. Light, durable, weather resistant, and low or high profile rubber pad with built in aluminum channel makes this a great product in ground or roof applications. Support. There are three challenges that need to be met when properly selecting a condenser pad. 1. Condensation. Water weight, along with the system weight, can damage lines and tubes that run underneath the unit. 2. Vibration, caused by operation that can cause the pad to sink or become unlevel. And 3. Environmental. Environmental factors such as harsh weather conditions require proper support. Ricochet offers mini-split condensate pads that offer high resin support as well as durability, including high anchoring strength, UV, freeze, and thaw resistant. Prefabricated mini-split stands are a great solution for mounting ground-level mini-splits and small AC units. To conform with the ever-changing climates across the country, we offer strong and sturdy stand kits for either single or multiple units that are a great fit for regions that require higher clearances due to accumulated snow. Also offered is a more engineered product called Multi-Frame. This product support system is designed for VRF, VRV systems, which can be easily assembled and moved in minutes to desired location. Multi-Frame accommodates various unit sizes and can be rated up to 1,102 pounds per frame module. For other types of surface applications, we offer the molded plastic foot, which offers anti-vibration rubber pads and is suitable for any roof surface. The advantages of plastic feet versus metal feet are the metal foot is susceptible to corrosion and they can damage the roof with unwanted penetration. Wind loading. Wind loading. Wind exposed environments up to wind speeds of 100 miles an hour. Hurricane rated. System would require a floor design engineer to sign off on your configuration. Electrical. New for 2020, RectorSeal offers a fused or non-fused disconnect box with an already installed SPD, surge protection device, which adheres to National Electrical Code 44014. There are multiple harmful effects of voltage disturbances, which can cause damage to the system. Different things damage different parts. For disruptive effects caused by outages or a brownout, all up to a surge spike, which can destroy the equipment as well as the SPD. RectorSeal has developed and launched a full line of SPDs to help protect your equipment from electrical disturbances. This unique technology allows for 15 hits at normal discharge current without failure and 1 hit at maximum surge current. Thermally fused components eliminate catastrophic failure due to extreme sustained overvoltage. Unique integrated GDT technology. The circuit uses each component to do what it does best. The GDT diverts the high energy portion of the transient and by the MOV provides the fast, accurate clamping of low energy leading edge. By combining high quality TF MOVs and protecting them with the GTDs, we offer industry required fast switching protection and safety with the robustness and longevity of GDTs. Fire hazard. All our products are UL 1449 listed and have thermally protected MOVs with the NEC's highest SCCR rating to ensure the safety of every install. SCCR, short circuit current rating. The maximum short circuit current a component, assembly, or equipment can safely withstand when protected by a specific overcurrent protective device or for a specified time interval. Interconnect cables are vital to the power and communication during mini-split installations. RectorSeal offers a 144C gauge shielded black jacket, sunlight, and moisture resistant. By using the correct connect cable, this will decrease installation errors. Cleaning and maintenance. Regular cleaning and maintenance is key to maintain a properly functioning mini-split system. Without proper servicing, there could be increased energy costs, limited heat transfer due to the coil not being cleaned, which leads to costly repairs. Regular cleaning and maintenance are critical for any system to maintain efficiency. RectorSeal offers a few products to assist the technician on the job, from evaporator coil and blower fan cleaner, refrigerant leak sealant, line set cleaner, and scrubber or corrosion protection. Thank you for joining us. We will see you on the next RectoSeal training.